Now see in the problem now here. A transparent solid cylindrical rod has a refractive index is given. It is surrounded by air. A light ray is incident at the midpoint of one end of the rod as shown in the figure. The incident angle theta for which light ray grazes the wall. So here at this location the light ray is incidenting. So if we call this angle, this will call it as the angle of incidence. So this is I, and here this is the angle of refraction. The angle of refraction is a 90 degrees. So we can apply a Snell's law here. We can write it as what element here Snell's law. If we write it as now here, this refractive index mu into sine I, and that is equal to what element of here. This medium is air medium na. Refractive index is 1 into sine R. R is how much now? 90 degrees. So this is mu value we know. How much the mu value refractive index of a slab is given as 2 by root 3 into sine I. I value given, not given. Okay. So into sine R, which is equal to how much now? Sine 90. So from this we'll get it as sine I, which is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 now. That is I value how much now? 60 degrees, right? We got this I value 60 degrees. Now if we draw this normal, this is 60. Here this angle which is 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Now this is 60. This is 90 means this angle. Now this angle will become 30 degrees now. Triangle.
Yes, sir.
So now when you talk about the light ray from here to here, so this is the angle of incident, this is the angle of refraction now. And here this medium which is air, and here this medium refractive index is given. How much this value? 2 by root 3 given now. Now we apply the again Snell's law here. Tell me the Snell's law here. This is 1 into sine theta. I is sine theta. And this mu value how much now? 2 by root 3 into sine R. Here the R means this is the R now. How much this angle of refraction here? 30 degrees. So that is sine theta, which is equal to 2 by root 3 into sine 30 value 1 by 2. So will come to be a 1 by root 3. So from this theta value will come to be a sine inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay. So third option.